My name is Rajiv Tyagarajan. My qualification 10th passed in 2001, 2002 to 2004. IT electrician passed in NCVT. 2012 to 2014. Diploma electrical engineering. Third year balance. And LIA exam part 1 also. About my family. My father name is Tyagarajan, working in agriculture. My mother name is Dhanalakshmi. She is housewife. My sister name is Raghavi. She is already married. And myself. And about my working experience, totally I have 7 years experience. 2006 to 2009 working in store elevator, lifting and maintenance inspection, and 2009 to 2011 elevator establishment in Abu Dhabi, inspection and maintenance and breakdown attempt, and 2011 to till date Dubai cranes, erection and lifting and inspection, all everything prepared in that before the third party, inspected everything, alignment and prepare the load test also. About my hobby, playing cricket, volleyball, badminton, read the books. That's